you been? Huh? Where have you been? I haven't seen you in like 2 or 3 weeks. Where have you been, my boy? Huh? Oh, you had me so worried. You had me so worried. Yes, you did. You had me so worried. Yes, you did. You had me worried, my love. Yeah. Where were you? Were you vacationing somewhere? Huh? Are you hungry? Okay, let's get the food. Hold on. Hi, Lucy. Look, it's Louie. It's Louie. Yeah, we haven't seen him. Where has he been? Say hi, Louie. Hi, Louie. You like Louie? And I think Louie. Hi, Louie. I have been so worried about you. Yes, I have. I'm so glad to see you. Oh, yes, I am. I know. I know. I know. You happy to see him too? Oh, I'm happy to see Louie too. Oh, yes, I am. Louie. I am so happy to see you, my boy. Yes, I am. I am so very happy. Louie, here, eat your dinner. Here, Louie, eat your dinner. I know. Go eat. Were you sleeping? And you still don't sleep in the shelters. I wonder if I move them back further if y'all would sleep in them. I don't know. The high wind didn't blow them away. Let's go see if we can find Olivia. I got a little chair here. I'm going to sit down on. Yeah, where are you? Where are you? Y'all going to play? Did you get enough to eat? Hi, Louie. Louie? What's on your back? You got a mat? Or you just been fighting again? You gotta tell me where the other male cat. Louie, there's a male cat around here that got Snowy pregnant. You gotta find him and chase him. Well, don't chase him away, but show me where he's at. So I can, maybe I'll know who he is. And then look for somebody to help me get the others fixed that didn't get fixed. How about that? What are y'all doing? It's nice, very nice and cool out here. Maybe like in the low 70s now. You gonna roll around too? I think you got a mat. I need to get a brush to brush just you and Lucy with. I'm so happy to see you, Louie. Yes, I am. I'm so happy. Let me look at that ear again. Is that ear okay? Yeah, it is. Oh, look at him. Look at him roll and play. You happy? You want to get up here? You want to get up here? Where's Snow? Lucy, where are you? What you doing, Lucy? You gonna go eat? What you doing? I'm so happy to see you. Oh, I was so worried. Yes, I was very worried about you. I hadn't seen you maybe in 2 or 3 weeks. It's probably been 3. Where were you, Louie? You're just moving all over. You're just moving all over, Louie. Louie, have you seen the other male cat? I know you chased off one, but I did see like a gray cat out here one night. when I put the food through the fence, it was kind of late, and he looked like a gray Maine Coon. I mean, I couldn't get a really good look at him, but he did look like a Maine Coon to me. And I'm hoping that I don't see him often. I'm hoping that he's somebody's cat that they just let wander around. But if it's a male, they need to get him fixed because it's better for him, and I don't want him being a deadbeat dad. No, I don't. That's what Justine called him, deadbeat dads. Well, Louie kind of watched over his, he watches over his colony. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. You're a good boy. Yeah. You don't let any newcomers come in, though, when you're around. No, you chase them off, don't you? They just want to eat, too. And Mama don't care if they eat. I even let the raccoons and the possums eat. Yeah. They want more, I'll get more. Yeah. I make sure that y'all are full. Are you happy, boy? You're a happy boy. Oh, now. You getting jealous? You getting jealous? Lucy? Lucy's jealous. Because she just ran up to him meowing. Like hitting at him. Oh, did you just slap at me? Will. Okay, we're going to turn this off. Y'all just happy kitties. Oh, you're going to get my chew too? Really? Oh, you silly cat. Are you upset with Mama? Mama, just wash your hands and arms. You can't smell Louie and Lucy now. I wash my hands. He says, I don't care. I know that you've been petting them. Are you upset with Mama? Oh my goodness, you make me laugh, Remy. You are so funny. What? I don't smell like them no more. I still smell them. I don't care. I know what you've been doing. I can't help it. They love their lovings too.